Whenever you upgrade your food, people will pay more for it. So that's something that we're going to be doing, but it's no rush because I'd rather buy new stuff, but we're going to start doing that eventually. All right, guys, let's build a menu. The goal today is to make enough money to buy fried chicken for tomorrow. Okay. Camera, you're going to come over here a bit. There we go. There we go. Man, I'm selling my salad for $8. All right, we're gonna have it passed on the menu. Fish is on the menu, boys. Upgrade the, yeah, here's soup is fucking hard in this game. So we're gonna be getting soup for sure. Let's see how much soup is. $800. So here's an example of what soup is. I remember this one being really hard. So they want chicken, bow tie noodles, bouillon cubes, and 3 celery. Did I do that right? I have all the soup recipes memorized. It's a CSD rite of passage. I believe it. So let me just see this again. So bow tie noodles, bouillon cubes, seasoning, tomatoes. So tomatoes are T. Carrots. Oh yeah, this one I see a soup could be fun if you know you have it, but it's a nightmare for me right now. I hear also lasagna. Lasagna is just like there's only 3 recipes for that one though, if I remember correctly. You just have to learn them. Delicious. All right. Let's go back to our menu. So, beer, fish, salad, burgers. We can do burgers, and let's do beer again. People like beer. Cool, let's do that. Doing these 2 again. That's a nightmare. Hey, Mike, how's it going? I almost got fucked last time by salad and burgers. Get out of here, rat. Have you guys seen the movie Mouse Trap? Or Mouse Hunt? Mouse Hunt. Meat only, go, sir. BLT on burger buns, that sounds weird. I was up really late and I woke up early. Yeah, some of the burger recipes, they just aren't burgers. Like the BLT, it's just like, that's not anything. Like just the burger patty on a bun, that's the kid's burger. That's what you get for little kids who don't like vegetables yet. Cheese sauce, peppers, mushrooms, spinach, and onions. Oh, these fucking chores are getting to me. Boil raw pasta. Flush the toilet. Meat, bacon, cheese, tomatoes. 3 is cheese sauce, please. This guy's just meat only. This guy is boiling raw pasta. This guy is BLTC. What? I did something wrong. That's a nightmare. Red sauce, bacon, peppers. 3 is send the fish. 4 is 1 meat patty. Then we wash some dishes. Red sauce, peppers, mushrooms, spinach, and onions. 3 is this. 4 is meat only. 2 is raw pasta. 1 is flush this. 3 is 1 meat patty. Whew. Cheese sauce. That's not a burger, so ruined bacon sandwich. I agree. I agree. Bacon sandwiches are sick. Have your fish, sir. That's a great idea. Oh, that'd be amazing. Ban the people who don't flush the toilet. Because I'm flushing the toilet a lot at my restaurant. Like, let's just be real. There's some guy coming into my restaurant, eating my fish, taking a massive, and then just leaving it. And it's probably this guy who's with me, because he looks like me. And I'm pretty... Okay, no, it was the guy who just left. That's how that was. This guy's literally in the clear. It's the overalls guy, yeah. Next time he comes in, let's shame him. You don't flush the toilet! Alright, it's almost rush hour, dinner time. Flushing the toilet again. It was also bald sweater guy. Spitting in the food, that'd be funny. You. Dark sauce. Peppers, mushrooms, spinach, and onions. 4. We can just, for binary, we'll just ask her in person. And maybe we'll message, Waffle House, because Waffle House doesn't come on Discord much. We'll tell him, but if he doesn't, we'll message him. I don't even know what Mike's doing. I imagine it's something to do with shoes, because he asked for your shirt size. Yeah, Vader doesn't deserve, she's, you know, she's cool people, but, you know, she's not as cool as you guys. She's one of our friends, right? It's like if we gave Mitch a Christmas present, or a birthday present for that matter. Mike is giving away all your games. What a nightmare that would be. I mean, like, with the ones we bought with playing board games money, he's free to do with what he wants. But there's some that I bought with my own money that, I mean, like, he could definitely still get rid of them, I guess. Like, I don't have the power to stop him. He's a lot quicker than I am. Okay. Oh boy, what a meal. I love your restaurant. I'm a local blogger and I plan to write a great review of your food. Weather alert. Safety inspection due. It's time for your 5-day inspection. Inspector will come to your restaurant a few times a day for an hour or so and observe how quickly you respond to chores. As a result, the wait time for chores before expiring is dramatically decreased while she's in the restaurant. You'll need to build your active menu so that you have less trashy, dish-rodent contributing foods as well as having foods that are very quick to prepare. Miss 2 chores and you'll be given a harsh report which could result in some bad buzz. Let's just get rid of this junk mail. Just reading my emails. Okay, we're buying some fried chicken. What is fried chicken? I don't remember this one. This guy wants fried chicken. Seems easy. All right. All right, we'll buy some fried. Oh, I can't even buy it yet. Don't have enough. All right, next day. Baked potato costs that much. Pizza costs $1,600 to learn how to make fucking pizza? All right. Let's do a new active menu. I love salad, so we're doing salad. How much for fries? Fries was $800. Bring. Okay, so what's like? Okay, so beer does nothing. So a lot of this shit makes garbage and rodents. I guess I'll just need to do my chores. Get some corn dogs and beer. Yeah, those are fast. We're gonna do salad because salad's fast. And probably fish. Fish is a good, nice, passive one that's really easy. Let's do that. Let's start a new day at Cook, Serve, Delicious. Just catch up, take it and run, my friend. Cheesy leaves. What would you name your restaurant? I'd name it Shay Mitchell. It's just a coincidence that the health inspector showed up at the same time there was this ominous, scary thunder and lightning hit, right? That's just a coincidence? What if I can? All right, she's gone. We passed the first test because we just flushed the toilet. She's gonna come again during rush hour though. Because she's... Yeah, they don't mind huge cracks in the wall. They don't mind stains and like water stains on the wall. The thing they hate though is if I don't clean the fucking toilet. Man, I got tipped $8. Get that beer going. Yes, keep ordering fish. Oh yeah, look at all this fish. This is fish day. Fish day Friday. That was a fish rush hour. That was good. We made some good money there, guys. If only fish were that easy to cut in real life, you had just... But if I do it like cut head, cut body, cut tail, season. It's a lot slower that way. But like when I was a young chef just starting out, I was trained in how to cook fish, so. I see you, lady. Bye. Bye. See you later, Mrs. Health Inspector. Yep. What would you rather I buy? I mean, let's look at the difference between fries and wings and see which one is a better purchase for my restaurant. Chez Mitchell. Quiet. It's too quiet. Just catch up. Ketchup and mustard, they taste good on it. Oh, she came during rush hour? What a fucking asshole. Thank God I can do chores and give people fish at the same time. Food hype? Crit Camp, how's it going? See you later. Or, oh fuck, I gave that guy's fish too early! Oh, that ruined my perfect day! Ah! Fuck you, fish guy! I just gave him raw fish just after the food inspector left. I can literally serve people this fish while I'm taking out the garbage. It's like, here you go. Yeah, he just wanted sushi. This is a sometimes you get perfectly cooked fish at Chez Mitchell, and sometimes you just get fucking sushi. It's how it works. Oh god, she's here. We made a lot of money today, guys. That's great. Just mustard on the yellow dog. Have a good day, sir. I see you. Don't think I don't see you, food inspector. Get out of here. My restaurant's fine. It's clean. Don't worry about that guy that I fed sushi to. One last beer for the day. Awesome. 361 bucks. We got a bit of a negative buzz, which sucks, but you know what can do. Perfect, 57, one bad. I'm gonna kick myself about that forever. Okay. Salad upgrade now available. A new item. We can do the dishwasher. We can get the dishwasher. That's sick. More about extra equipment. Menu rod is incurring on the fish. Inspection passed. That's sick. Your daily fortune. Don't invite enemies into your house if you've already destroyed your lawn. If they've already destroyed your lawn, learn as the lawn was unable to. Animal to avoid today: the parakeet. I got Aya, the Lotus legend, but I already had one, so I just dusted it. Okay. So we can make nachos look yummy too. All right, fried chicken, good for catering, late night chow, simple food. Order to go. Afternoon delight. It declines, it's fatty, and customers will not tip. French fries. It looks like the other one's better. Fried chicken is better. So let's go with fried chicken. Yeah, let's do fried chicken. Do you agree with that, guys? Should we do fried chicken over French fries? Ah. Yeah, I was pretty unlucky with my packs for the new set, but now I just start saving up my gold for the next one. I had my day of purchasing, and now it's back to grinding quests and saving up gold. Chicken wings it is. Boom, fried chicken. So we might as well put fried chicken on our menu. Whoop! Hey, everything get off. All right, chat. Chicken will make your rush hour hell. Late night funk, you are probably true. But that's what I'm gonna do. I'm ready. I'm ready for the pain of this hellish rush hour. All right, so we can't do fish. Well, I mean, we can do fish. We've established this before, but we shouldn't do fish. What are some stuff we should put on the menu today? Boys and ghouls. Okay, ice cream. Yeah, Dragon Man did want ice cream. We can do some ice cream. I love that. How much is the dishwasher? That's a good thing to check. Equipment. Dishwasher will cost me $800 dues. Ooh. Yeah, we do a burger. Burger sounds great to me. Ooh, these are all cheap foods. Let's go, yeah, we'll go with salad. I like that idea though, beer, wings, ice cream. Yeah, the pasta's good. I like, the thing is with pasta and burgers, they always scare me because they're so, like, they both have a little bit of a waiting time. I can get through salad pretty quick. Ice cream I'm still learning, and this is my first time doing fried chicken. Salad for cash. Let's go with this. Let's try this out. Let's run this. Let's see how this goes. Good luck, everybody. Begin. Yeah, I can see why fried chicken is going to be held during rush hour, because it just takes a lot of time. Yeah, man, 9:30 a.m., 3 meat patties. Let's fucking do it. This guy just came off of a big shift at the lumber mill overnight, and now he wants 3 meats, bacon, and cheese. I don't fucking blame him. Yeah, there's James. James just wants his 3-meat burger. Hey, Amarin, how's it going? Yeah, I definitely see now how this is going to be held during my shift, during rush hour, when people just want, oh, can I just get some fried chicken because it takes forever? Yeah, don't worry about it. It's okay, if we serve people raw chicken, that's just life. 3 scoops of chocolate. Have a good one. I should play in character. Doesn't mean rush cleaning the counter. Oh shit, it's rush hour. Bacon cheese only, have the tumbleweed. Cheese and onions and peppers, seems good to me. 3 meat patties. Oopsie, I forgot the bacon. More garbage. Ranch, cheese, bacon, crouton. This came on first. Said cheese. Santa's hands. Oh god, no. This is a nightmare. Good luck. Spat on my keyboard. Man, people love the tumbleweed burger. Oh, the double. Meat, lettuce, bacon, cheese, tomatoes, salad, ranch. I love doing the salad. The salad's cake. This lady comes in, she looks tiny and frail, but she wants the triple. She wants 3 meat patties. I don't blame her. 3 meat and cheese. Yeah, girl, fucking live life. Cake salad. Yes! Cheese, onions, and peppers. Just give me I want ice cream salad. Like, people make fucking fruit salad. No, that's just a healthier version of something that's already pretty healthy for you, so. I need to cut down on garbage. That's what I need. Ranch, cheese, BOMG. I go like this every time I get an everything on it salad. It just feels so good. Just, yes. The red. That's a meat and tomato. I'm starting to learn my recipe. I'm starting to learn my recipes. Oh, fuck. Shouldn't have done this. Shouldn't have gone into a fried chicken order while this burger was on the thing. Greasy fried chicken. All right, guys. 5 minutes till rush hour. Let's go! All right, cheese, bacon, onions, and peppers. 2. Feed this mouse some cheese. 1 meat patty. Cheese, greens, and carrots. We're doing good. Do the fucking dance. Do the fucking cooking dance. I hate taking out garbage. I hate. Oh god, this is a nightmare. 2 fried chicken on 3 fried chicken at a time. Let's pour 3 fried chicken in a row. Oh god, this is a nightmare. This is. Oh god, we're in fried chicken hell, guys. This is it. This is this is how it ends. Oh god, no. Is it just me, or was that a bit spicy? Yeah, late night snack. It is true, it was a late night snack bonus, then everyone's just like, let's just do a bunch of fried chicken in a row. My favorite thing is when you get like lasagna on the order and then some guy comes in at 9:50 and he's like, yes, can I please have a lasagna at this time at night? Meat, bacon, cheese, tomatoes. 1 meat patty. Yeah, I'll like my lunch for today. God damn, that one average order just fucked me. Okay, so I got all my other checklists done. All I need to do is just complete a bunch of more days of service. Okay, so you're a pretty damn darn good cook, I'll tell you that, but I bet you're not as good as you think. My name is Crazy Dave, and I love me some gambling. There's no better way to earn fast cash than putting a few bets against your skills as a cook. You accept my bet, I'll take your $300 today and see how you do. You win the bet, I'll give you $600 tomorrow, you lose, and I'll just keep your $300. How about them apples? Bet you can't make 15 perfect orders in a row. Well, Crazy Dave, I bet you I fucking can, you asshole.